Hello dear traders, today we are going to present you the current week economic calendar. Let us focus on key macroeconomic events slated for the second part of this week. The European Central Bank is to announce its decision on the key interest rate for August. Analysts do not think any changes are likely. The rate is seen to remain flat at 0.75% set in July, when the bank cut the rate by 0.25 basis points. The ECB rate used to hold at 1%. The ECB decision conformed to the forecast, as analysts say the ECB had to slash the rate to prevent further exacerbation of the Eurozone crisis. Meanwhile, the UK authorities will unveil a new reading of the service PMI for July. It is expected to equal 51.7 points. In June, the UK services PMI was at 51.3 points. The UK economy heavily relies on its services sector. In the first months of summer, the activity in this sector started slowing. In June, it came to be lower than the forecast of 52.8 points. The big data feeds hopes that the Bank of England will resume the quantitative easing program. In addition, on Friday, the US Department of Labor will release new data on unemployment and the non-farm employment change for July. Analysts suppose that the US unemployment rate is likely to remain unchanged at 8.2%. As for new non-farm payrolls, they are seen to increase by 101,000. As the previous data showed, 80,000 of jobs created in June proved to be insufficient to successfully cope with the Eurozone crisis effects. In June, the number of new jobs was bigger than in May, when the indicator only rose by 69,000. And yet, unemployment in the USA is still soaring high. It is still at the level of 8.2%. It may well force the Fed to develop new measures for stimulating economic growth in the country. That was all for this week. We'll be keeping you updated. Goodbye.